Dosa, bread, fruits and vegetables. All are carbohydrates, but why some are considered to be good carbohydrates while others are considered to be bad carbohydrates? So in this video, I'm going to talk about everything there is to know about carbohydrates, your body's preferred source of energy. Hey guys, Ahbar Ajay from properfitness.com, and today we are talking about carbohydrates. This is the second video from a series of 3 videos on micronutrient. And if you haven't already watched my video on protein and fat, you can click right here. Carbs are sugar, starches and fibers present in fruit, vegetables, grains and milk products. And carbohydrates is the main source of energy for your body. When you eat food containing carbohydrate, your body converts all the carbs into glycogen. It's a form of glucose that your body stores in your muscle, your liver and your bloodstream. And your body can use the stored glycogen for energy when needed. There are 3 types of carb and they are differentiated based on how quickly they can be converted to glycogen for energy. Number 1 is simple carbs. These are the kind of sugar that is converted to glycogen for energy very quickly, so you get a sudden energy surge. That means your body sugar level rises and drops quickly. And if you find yourself slumped or tired after your afternoon meal, then you probably are having too much simple carbs and your body is now craving for sugary snack. Number 2, fibrous carb. This contains high amount of fiber, which slows down the conversion of glycogen. It gives you sustained energy for a day. This also helps you maintain your blood sugar level by keeping you alert for the whole day. Number 3, complex carbohydrates. These are the starchy carbohydrates like rice, bread or potatoes. This raises your blood sugar level, and any raise in your blood sugar level gives a hike in your insulin level, and raising your insulin level promotes fat storage. So when you're enjoying your biryani over there, you're simultaneously building your spare tire if you didn't work out. Carbohydrate has got a really bad rap lately. It's considered to be the main culprit for the weight gain, but the right kind of carbohydrate is really beneficial for us. Carbohydrates are the ones that fuels our workout. It helps us stay mentally alert. It helps us focus. It also fuels your kidney, your muscles, your brain, your central nervous system. And fibrous carbs also help us with the digestion, and the excess carbs when you eat, it's stored in your blood, your liver, which can be used later for the energy. Carbohydrate is one of the 3 important micronutrients that you need, and if you don't have enough amount of carbohydrates in the start of the day, then you're going to get tired for the whole day, because your brain and your central nervous system work mainly on glucose. And when you're having a diet that's deficient in carbohydrates, then you might see a lot of symptoms like headaches, difficulty concentrating, and problem with your digestion, and a lot of other physical and mental weaknesses when your diet is carbohydrate deficient. For a general lifestyle, for a well-being, you need to have a lot of fibrous carbs, and you need to limit simple and complex carbohydrates. But if you are someone who is a bodybuilder or an athlete or who goes to gym, then you might find the complex carbs to be a lot useful for you. Your carbohydrate should contain 45 to 65% of your diet, and most of the carbohydrates should be from fibrous and complex carbohydrates, and you should try to limit the simple carbohydrates. So that's it guys, that's it for today. This is a video on carbohydrates, and if you like this video, press that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done that. And thank you for watching till the end.